Technology is rapidly advancing day to day in the blink of an eye. Automated processes are significantly increasing production. Here at AZCO Corp, not only do we see our future in automation, but we also see yours too. For over 40 years, AZCO Corp has been committed in pushing the boundaries to produce accurate results and streamline processes for our customers. We have since built a strong foundation through our building blocks of automation. Our team is made up of caring and high-performing professionals who are dedicated in helping your business grow and thrive. With our state-of-the-art technology and innovative products, you can stay ahead of the competition while increasing profit. We understand that every company is unique with its own challenges and goals. That's why we devote the time to understand your business and create solutions to meet your specific needs. At AZCO Corp, not only do we design and manufacture innovative products, but we serve our customers and members with integrity. With your ideas and our solutions, we are working to create products for a better tomorrow. We're not just a service provider, we are your partner in your success. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help your business thrive. Your ideas, our solutions, your success.